Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistant's new Airbus Aircraft 2025 unbelievable features and more. Airbus 2037 single-aisle aircraft redefines aviation with 20 to 30% fuel savings, 100% soft compatibility, and open fan engines. Featuring smart wings, lightweight materials, and AI-driven automation, it aims for net zero emissions. Set to dominate the skies, this eco-friendly jet challenges Boeing and shapes the future of sustainable travel. Targeted launch timeline: Airbus plans to introduce its next-generation single-aisle aircraft in the 2030s, with entry into service expected around 2037 or 2038. This timeline allows Airbus to refine technologies and align with market demands while capitalizing on Boeing's current production challenges. The aircraft will replace the highly successful A320neo family, which remains in high demand, with a robust order backlog. Fuel efficiency goals: the new aircraft is designed to achieve a 20 to 30% reduction in fuel consumption compared to current A320neo models. This improvement is critical for reducing operating costs for airlines and meeting aviation's net zero emissions target by 2050. The focus on efficiency also positions Airbus to compete aggressively with Boeing's future offerings. Sustainable Aviation Fuel (SAF). The aircraft will be capable of operating on up to 100% SAF, which can reduce lifecycle carbon emissions by up to 80% compared to traditional jet fuel. Airbus is already increasing SAF usage in its operations, with 16% in 2024 and a target of 30% by 2030, ensuring compatibility with global decarbonization goals. Open fan engine technology: Airbus is collaborating with CFM International on the Revolutionary Innovation for Sustainable Engines (RISE) program, developing an open fan engine that promises 20% lower fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Flight tests on an A380 testbed are planned by the end of the decade, making this a cornerstone of the new aircraft's propulsion system. Advanced wing design: the Wing of Tomorrow program is developing longer, slender wings inspired by biomimicry, mimicking bird wings to enhance lift and reduce drag. Folding wingtips, similar to those on the Boeing 777X, will ensure airport gate compatibility while improving aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to fuel savings. Lightweight materials: the aircraft will utilize advanced composites, biofibers, and thermoplastics to replace carbon fiber reinforced plastics, CFRP. These materials are lighter, stronger, and more sustainable, improving fuel efficiency and durability while aligning with Airbus' focus on circularity and responsible sourcing. Hybridization and electrification: Airbus is exploring hybrid and electric technologies to complement SAF and open fan engines. These systems could further reduce fuel consumption and emissions, integrating multiple energy sources for a more sustainable aircraft architecture. This approach reflects Airbus' holistic strategy for decarbonization. Smart automation and AI: the new aircraft will feature a digital platform with advanced automation, artificial intelligence, and connectivity. Technologies like the Optimate system, which uses cameras, radar, and LiDAR, aim to enhance operational efficiency, enable autonomous taxiing, and improve maintenance through real-time data and predictive analytics. Market strategy and competition: Airbus is leveraging Boeing's struggles with the 737 MAX certification and production issues to gain a competitive edge. By targeting a clean sheet design, Airbus aims to dominate the single-aisle market, which is the most lucrative segment due to high demand for aircraft like the A320 and 737. Hydrogen-powered alternatives: while Airbus has delayed its zero hydrogen-powered aircraft program, it continues to explore hydrogen fuel cells for regional aircraft. The new single-aisle aircraft will prioritize SAF and conventional technologies but keeps hydrogen as a long-term option, ensuring flexibility for future market and regulatory shifts. Strategic importance: the NGSA represents a pivotal step for Airbus in maintaining its leadership in the single-aisle market, which accounts for the majority of global aircraft demand. With over 12,000 Airbus aircraft in service and a forecasted need for 43,420 new passenger and freighter aircraft over the next 20 years, the new aircraft is poised to meet both growth and replacement needs. Its focus on sustainability aligns with global environmental regulations and airline demands for cost-effective, eco-friendly solutions. By integrating cutting-edge technologies like open-fan engines, folding wings, and advanced materials, Airbus aims to set a new standard for commercial aviation, potentially outpacing competitors like Boeing, which faces delays with its 737 MAX and 777X programs. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.